Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I just got my order from Cherry Cosmetics. I'm super excited because I got these adorable little earrings. They are sunflowers, so I'm super excited to wear those. And then I also got these little ice cream cones. And I got these things. So I have, this is super cute too. So I got a honey lip gloss, which I'm going to try right now. It smells good. And it looks good. It feels really good on my lips. And then I have a couple more things. I got a little gummy bear keychain, which is super cute.
Gummy bear.
It's not really a gummy bear.
I know.
And then I have a little like either eyebrow or lash separator. And little hair clips. Look at those. This is like some super 90s vibes, which I love. I'm excited about this. So I just wanted to show y'all really quick what I got from Cherry Cosmetics, and I will link this all below so that if you decide that you want to go check it out on her Etsy shop, that would be great. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.